Check this shit out. You can see right here, we got one of the craziest G80s that I've seen to date. This gentleman is a customer here at NRP and a good friend now. He's been here so much and we've done so much work and we got to know him really well. He's a super cool dude. Mom Doe. This is his KLM single turbo G80. Yo, this thing is the craziest G80 that we've ever seen. Look at this thing. The wing, the dragon. This is the owner. That's his Instagram. It's Mom Doe's car. And this thing is badass, man. This thing is super fast. It's stock motor, stock trans for now, but this thing is gonna be a beast. It makes in the 7s right now, and it will make in like the 4,000s. I'm just kidding, not really, but it's gonna be fast. Carbon hood, carbon fenders. This thing is just unreal. I mean, come on. How can you know what I mean? This thing is crazy. One of these days, man, one of these days. Well, we're gonna make a video with it today. We're gonna drive it around, some thoughts, some impressions, feature spotlight, everything that's done to this car currently has been done here, with the exception of like the graphics, obviously. We've done the hood, we did the fenders, I think we did the front grille, the lip, the side skirts, the turbo kit, the intake manifold, all the powder coat, all the cool stuff. It's all been done at NRP with me, with us, the guys. We totally killed this car. It's super cool. It works super well. It's super reliable. It's got a ton of miles put on it since the initial build, and it's been rock solid since then. So we're gonna jump in and we're gonna go for a rip now that it's warmed up, and we're gonna do some pulls. Nothing crazy because obviously this isn't our car. I got permission from the owner to drive it. Let's go take it for a rip. All right. This thing is so loud inside, it's crazy. It sounds so wild. We're not gonna go too crazy. Like I said before, this isn't our car. It's Mom Doe's car. He did give me permission to use it, drive it, but again, still not our car. I don't wanna push my luck because I can help replace it if something happens, but I'd rather not. Dude, this thing. This thing just wants to spin. Let's give it a couple more hits. No shit. This thing's so cool, man. KLM really did something with this kid, huh? It's so easy to do illegal shit in this car. Woo! Alright. Damn. You gotta respect the machine though. This thing, you can get hurt quick. You can get hurt really, really quick in this car. This is a cool spec though. He's got carbon buckets, obviously. It's rear wheel drive as well. So God, man. It's all set for him to come pick up. This thing is amazing. Love this car. Again, yo, shout out to our guy, Mamdo, for letting me take the car out for a little spin. I know we didn't drive it a ton, but we drove it enough to have fun and show you what this thing is about. Who knows, maybe he'll let us borrow it. We can take it for a little longer, make a longer video and show some people what's up, race a couple people, because this thing is fast. Like I said, it makes in the 700s now. I don't know, it feels a little down on power. I think it could use 1,000 safely. Stock wheel and tire in the rear, and spins a little in third, but if you stay in it, stay true, it kind of goes after that. So yeah, this is it, man. This is the car. This thing is freaking insane. You guys, this thing, this fucking car, man. All right, guys, well, that'll do it. Drop a thumbs up on this video because cool. I'm glad we got to do this. Super stoked. So drop a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow the owner too. Dead here. I'm gonna go up to it again because might have forgot. That's him. It's the boy. Drop him a follow. You don't know who he is. And stay tuned because this car is going to be back on my channel because we're going to be building it still here at North Valley Performance. And it's going to be sick, man. So appreciate you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.